You guys, mobile banking has become such a big thing for everyone. It's like hard to think that people don't do their banking online. But one of the leaders, America First Credit Union, of this industry, you guys have mastered the mobile banking app. You have some noteworthy features that we're going to talk about. This is Nicole Zipers. Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
And what are we talking about today?
Well, we just had a new release on our app, and just wanted to talk about what those new features are, and talk about the great features that moved into the new version as well that we already had.
Okay, so if people who aren't familiar with online banking and maybe are a little bit leery of like going that direction, what would you say to them?
I was a little leery at first too, and I'll admit that I tested some of the technology out, like bill pay, those types of things. I thought, okay, I'm going to try this one because it's really close, and if it doesn't get there, I can run the payment down so I'm not late. But I can tell you, I pay everything through bill pay, through online banking, mobile banking. I transfer my money, deposit checks through mobile banking, and it's so much easier and convenient. And I think that's the main reason America First has put so much into this technology, is because we want to be able to provide a service to our members that allows them to customize their user experience. What's convenient for them? How do they want to do their banking? And so by providing these services of online banking and mobile banking, that lets them choose how they want to interact with us.
Okay, so what are some of the features that you guys offer?
So through our app, you can do mobile deposit, which we already talked about a little bit. Pop money, you can transfer money between friends. Like if you paid for dinner and I'm going to pay my half, and I'll transfer the money to you. Some of the other features are you can apply for a loan. You can go on and look for any ATM locations. It can kind of, through that app, show you where our ATM locations are. There's so many different things. The new features, we have Touch ID, fingerprint authentication,
That's
login.
one thing that always makes me feel more safe.
Yeah, because it's your fingerprint. So we have that in the new feature. And the other thing is we're allowing you to sync accounts to this mobile app from other financial institutions. So you have a better snapshot of what your finances are, and then can merge that with the budgeting tools that are also in mobile banking.
Oh my gosh, okay, so how do people get the app, and is it available on all devices?
It's available on Android and iOS.
Okay.
You can go to the App Store and download it. And then there's a quick setup that you have to do through online banking on your computer. Once that's done, you can go into mobile banking and set up what your budgeting. You can do everything through mobile banking.
Okay, I don't know if you know all the details of this, but what kind of process do you have to go through to keep it secure? Like for people to have like peace of mind about doing all this on their mobile device, like there's got to be some security features that are implemented.
Definitely, and our mobile device is just as secure as our online banking. America First prides itself on our security. That's top priority for us. So yes, it's definitely secure with the new features of fingerprint login. That even makes it more secure, adds another level of security. So yes, it is secure. You don't need to worry about that.
Do you guys find less people going through the drive-through now?
It's
like business slowed down, like back home at the home front?
It's so funny because it's just like I said, we have over 800,000 members, 830,000 members up plus. But it just depends on how they want to do their banking and how they want to interact. So we have, the staunch that still show up at a branch every day, but then we've got this younger generation that is strictly online and mobile.
Options for
We have
everyone.
people that lived here that were with the military at Hill Air Force Base that joined and then have moved and are stationed somewhere else in the world and still continue to use us through mobile banking and online banking.
Well, that says a lot about America First Credit Union, a lot about you guys. I know you guys do so much service here in the community too, so much giving back. So exciting. So anyone that wants to find out more about this app, go to americafirst.com. We'll also have a link from our website as well. Sounds easy. I like easy.
Yes, it's easy.
All right, good stuff. All right, Deb, what's coming up later?